हम लोग इस क्वेश्चन को फोकस करेंगे। इस क्वेश्चन का स्टेटमेंट है अ 600 पिकोफैराड कैपेसिटर इज चार्ज बाय अ 200 वोल्ट सप्लाई. It is then disconnected from the supply and is connected to another uncharged 600 picofarad capacitor. How much electrostatic energy is lost in this process? सबसे फर्स्ट में हम लोगों को जानना ये है कि ये इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स चैप्टर से बिलोंग कर रहा है। एंड नाउ पोर्शन इज द कॉमन पोटेंशियल। कॉमन पोटेंशियल के लिए हम लोगों को इस क्वेश्चन में दो पार्ट्स बनेंगे। फर्स्ट केस, यहां पर एक कैपेसिटर दिया हुआ है जिसका कैपेसिटेंस है 600 पिकोफैराड and the potential is 200 volt. Now 600 पिकोफैराड को हम लोग पहले फैराड में चेंज कर लेंगे। Now C2 दूसरा कैपेसिटर दिया गया है, that is the 600 पिकोफैराड again. And it is disconnected, that is uncharged, so potential of this capacitor is 0. In this case, total charge of the system Q1 plus Q2, that is the C1 V1 plus C2 V2, that means 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 plus into 200 plus 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 0, that means 600 into 200 into 10 to the power minus 12, that means 12 into 10 to the power 4 into 10 to the power minus 12, that is the 12 into 10 to the power minus 8, and it is the charge, so Coulomb. It is the first case when one is connected with 200 volt supply and another is uncharged. Next case is that when we connected both the capacitors, then the combined capacitance equal to C1 plus C2 and common potential equal to V, then total charge becomes C1 plus C2 into V, that is 600 plus 600 again 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 plus 600 10 to the power minus 12 into V, that is a 1200 into 10 to the power minus 12 into V. It is the potential, common potential, that is the V. In both the cases total charge remains same, so that is the total charge is the first half equal to total charge in the second half. Total charge in the first half, that is 12 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb equal to total charge in the second half, that is 1200 into 10 to the power minus 12 into V, then it is then V equal to 100 volt. It is the common potential after combination of both two charges. Now we have find the loss of energy in this process. Loss of energy means the initial energy is higher than the final energy of the combination. So loss of energy equal to initial energy minus final energy. That's the initial energy half C1 V1 square plus half C2 V2 square and minus final energy half C1 plus C2 V square. Then half C1 is 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 into V1 equal to 200 plus half C2 is 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 into 0 square. That is the initial energy minus half C1 plus C2 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 plus 600 into 10 to the power minus 12 into V square. V is the 100. Overall, it is half 600 10 to the power minus 12. This is the 40,000. It is 0. It becomes 0, and rest is half into 1200 10 to the power minus 12 into 10,000. Then into 10 to the power minus 12 into 10 to the power 6. This is the 12. Now this is 6. It is the 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 minus 6 into 10 to the power minus 6. It is overall 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule. It is the answer. Now the question is determine the equivalent resistance of network. This question belongs to current electricity, that is the second chapter of standard 12. We have to find the equivalent resistance of this circuit. इस सर्किट में हम लोगों को ऑब्जर्व करने की चीज है कि यहाँ पर हम लोगों को ये यूनिट्स जो हैं दैट्स ये रिपीट हो रहे हैं, तो हम लोग किसी एक यूनिट को रिजॉल्व करके एंड दैट मींस ओवरऑल सर्किट्स के लिए उसको हम लोग कैलकुलेशन में यूज कर सकते हैं. लेट अस टेक वन यूनिट दैट इज दिस 1 ohm and 2 ohm. Now, in the first unit, that is a single unit, we have take single unit first. This is the single unit. In this unit, we named all the resistors R1, R2, R3, and the R4. Now, in the diagram, R1 and R2 are in series. So, R12 equal to R1 plus R2. That's a 1 plus 1. That's a 2 ohm. Again, R3 and R4 are in series. So, R34 equal to R3 plus R4, 4 ohm, when we solve these two in series and again in series, उसके बाद हम लोग इस सर्किट में कंबाइंड रेजिस्टर्स को साथ में लेकर, this is the R12 that is the 2 ohm and this is the R34 that is the 4 ohm. Now we can see R12 and R34 are in parallel. R12 and R34 are in parallel. So R1234, that's the 1 by R12 plus 1 by R34 all inverse, that is the 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 inverse, that is 2 plus 1 inverse, that is the 3 by 4 inverse, again 4 by 3 ohm. It is the equivalent resistance of the single unit, and same units repeated 4 times, then equivalent resistance of the network is that this and this, that is the 4 by 3 for one unit, and all 4 are in series. So equivalent resistance R equal to 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3 plus 4 by 3. Again R equal to 4 into 4 by 3. So R equal to 16 by 3 ohm. It is the equivalent resistance of the network we can obtain in such process. That is the answer. Next question is that 2-point charges 4Q and Q are separated by 1 meter in air. At what point on the line joining the charges is the electric field intensity is 0? First of all, this question belongs to electrostatics. That is the first chapter of standard 12. सबसे पहले हम लोग इस सिचुएशन को डायग्राम के थ्रू एक्सप्लेन करेंगे। यहाँ पर दो चार्जेस दिए गए हैं, फर्स्ट इज दैट 4Q एंड द सेकेंड इज दैट Q. बोथ चार्जेस आर सेपरेटेड बाय 1 मीटर। यहाँ पर पूछा ये जा रहा है कि इन दोनों चार्जों के बीच में कहां पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी, किस पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी का वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा। तो हम लोग एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट कंसीडर करेंगे। लेट दिस चार्ज बिलोंग्स टू पॉइंट ए एंड दिस बिलोंग्स टू पॉइंट बी, एंड द पॉइंट बिटवीन बोथ टू चार्जेस इज P. एट दैट पॉइंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इंटेंसिटी इज 0. This point belongs to at a distance x meter from point A and 1 minus x meter from point B. Let at point P electric field intensity becomes 0. Then condition is that electric field intensity between these two charges and the electric field intensity between these two charges becomes same, then its overall resultant is 0. So EPA equal to EPB, that is formula is KQ by R square equal to again KQ by R square. K and the Q cancel each other, and so 1 minus x square equal to x square. Then 2 into 1 minus x equal to x. overall 2 minus 2x equal to x, then 2 equal to 3x, x is equal to 2 by 3 meter. This is the distance of the point P from point A, that means the charge 4q, at which the electric field intensity becomes 0. Again, in the next part of the question, calculate the electrostatic potential energy of the system of charges taking the value of charge q equal to 2 into 10 power minus 7. Now, potential energy equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square, that is value of K equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9, 4 into Q square by 1, that is 9 into 10 to the power 9 to 4 into value of Q 2 into 10 to the power minus 7 square, 9 into 10 to the power 9 into 4 to 4 into 10 to the power minus 14, 9 into 4 into 4 into 10 to the power minus 14 plus 9, that is 144 into 10 to the power minus 5. It is the potential energy. So joule in the standard form 1.44 into 10 to the power minus 7, 10 to the power minus 3 joule, and it is the answer.